Welcome back to iTech This Week. Bill Sell here, the studios of the Pulse Network, Canton, Massachusetts. We're talking today with Jeff Kaplan of ThinkStrategies. And Jeff, we've talked really about all sorts of different things with the cloud, but you've actually got a brand new summit that you're introducing in a few months here. Tell me a little bit about your Cloud Channel Summit.
All right, so the idea of the Cloud Channel Summit stems from the evolution of the cloud market itself. We've seen tremendous success in the cloud space, but it's been primarily driven by a direct sales approach and direct delivery approach. And that will always be a prominent part of what the cloud is all about. But in order for the cloud to continue to grow and expand into specific vertical markets or into specific geographies, the cloud vendors need more partners, more channels to market, like in any industry. The traditional channels who are out there, the traditional VARs who have made a living selling boxes and packaged software and dealing with complexity are scared to death of the cloud because they have this feeling they're going to be disintermediated by it. We want to create a forum that first of all dispels that myth and demonstrates to them there's life after death in the cloud. There's opportunities to succeed and thrive in the cloud. We also want to create a forum in which we can identify new models for success in the cloud. So for instance, Dell is now teaming with Salesforce to become a channel to market for Salesforce's AppExchange offerings. Salesforce itself sees its Force.com platform as a service as a tool for secondary or third-party ISVs. Companies like Bank of America have online marketplaces of software as a service offerings. There are a variety of other examples of new forms of channels that are emerging in the marketplace, and no one has been focusing entirely on that idea. So we're going to have a one-day event in Mountain View, California on Monday, November the 7th, at a place called the Computer History Museum, which I'm
great location.
I've heard wonderful things about it, right off the 101, halfway between San Francisco and Santa Clara. And by the way, anybody recognizes that time frame, it's not by accident. We picked a Monday just before one of the biggest events in the industry, the Cloud Computing Expo.
Which takes place down there.
Which is happening as well. So that's why we're doing it, that's where we're doing it, and that's what we're all about. It's the Cloud Channel Summit.
Who are some of the big name speakers? You've actually got an excellent lineup of well-known folks from the marketplace.
Well, we're kicking off the day with the Director of Enterprise Channel Programs, a guy named Stefan Chow, who I've known for a long time and is well recognized as an expert and a leader in this marketplace. He's going to be kicking it off. He comes from Google. And then we have some additional names to be announced soon, but some big names among the leading cloud vendors, and we have some smaller players. For instance, the first three companies to sponsor the event are three very different companies. AppDirect, which is the online marketplace, Agilia Software, which is in the software development space, and Scribe Software, which is in the data integration space. They represent new forms of channels. They want to be a part of the show as well.
It's a very interesting combination. I think it's going to be a great event. I'm hopefully going to be able to be out there and join you because this really is the next direction for this. And every IT manager needs to understand how to build around the cloud, build it into what they're doing. Well, Jeff, thank you for joining us here today. And thank you all of you for joining us here at iTech This Week here on the Pulse Network.